Hello everyone. So as promised, I wanted to make a quick video showing you how to easily do conversions. For me, this is what I was taught in high school chemistry, and it's worked out really well for me. And this is also so you don't have to try to finagle your way through the recordings, so you can just kind of get it straight up. So in the first lab, I want us to kind of practice doing some of these conversions. Some of the questions are either going from kilometers to miles or feet to inches or centimeters to inches, whichever it is. This will be helpful for some of our future labs where we're going to use conversions to calculate rates of spread. So this is just kind of a basic overview of how I would do conversions. So say I wanted us to convert 14 kilometers to miles. So 14 kilometers to miles. And oh, sorry, there's a little bit of a reflection there. And I will always give you a conversion rate unless it's something like kilometers to centimeters, then that is a little bit more intuitive because the metric system is awesome. So in 1 kilometer is equal to 0.6214 miles. Okay, so a nice easy way to set all of this up is what I call a t-table. So this is our given here, and I want things in miles, right? So I'm going to set up 14 kilometers and a nice little T over here, right? It's like a sideways T. So on the denominator side, we want kilometers down here. So in 1 kilometer, I have 0.6214 miles. And the nice thing here is that we can cancel our units, right? So kilometers cancels out with kilometers. Yay! So happy, right? And we're left with the unit I wanted, which is miles. So all you have to do is multiply across. And so with that, you would get, and just simply using your calculator on your phone, 14 times 0.6214 is rounded to 8.7 miles. And that is our final answer. Sorry if that's not super, trying to block the sun here a little bit, 8.7 miles. And so I think on the labs, I request that you round to the nearest tenth. So remember the tenth is the next number to the right of the decimal space. So you can use this style if you want. You're also, of course, more than welcome to, however you learned conversions before, you're welcome to use that. This style I think is really nice because I'm a very visual person, so it visually makes sure that we're sticking with the conversion factors here. And you could even go further, like say if I asked for kilometers to feet, for example. So then you would just expand on this idea here. So in 1 mile, there's 5,180, I think, feet. We're going to pretend that that's the right, that is the correct conversion. So then here, again, you would just do the same exact process. You would just continue things on and still multiply across, and miles would cancel. So then 14 kilometers, we already know. So if we would do 14 times 0.6214 times 5,180. So that would then equal, so 14 kilometers is about 45,060 we're going to round up to the nearest foot, 64 feet. Right, so it doesn't matter how many units you have to convert through, as long as you have the conversion factor, then it's a very simple just multiplication or division. So yeah, that's how to do that. Reach out if you have any questions, and I'm happy to help guide you through that. All right. Thanks for watching.